Yo, what is going on, guys? I'm Apache Warrior, and today I'm gonna be trying out a new game. I just found. I was looking at trying to find Flappy Bird, and I found something quite odd. It's called Fappy Bird. So let's get this game on. And I'm sorry I haven't been uploading lately, but oh my god. So I guess you just have to do that. Oh. Oh my god. So I guess the point of the game is to not get caught fapping. Yeah. Hi, Mom. No, I'll do nothing. Nope. Mom, stop it. Mom, no. Fucking Mom. So as you guys can see, this is like a cheap knockoff of Flappy Bird. Oh my god. Who has those kind of computers anymore? Hi, Mom. Nope. This is annoying as Flappy Bird. So as you guys can see, this is a really crappy game of Flappy Bird. Oh, look it. I'm flapping. Well, if I don't do anything, what will happen? No. Let's just try to get past 2. Yes, this up. Really cheap game of Flappy Bird. Sorry I haven't been uploading lately. I have been really busy. But yeah, oh, it's just a trial version. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.